What's up, everybody? We back with another message, another video. Thank you to all my new subscribers and future new subscribers. You know we do nothing here without God because everything is spiritually led by God over here. We cover the world from a spiritual and physical aspect to get the raw, real, and uncut answers. So anything you hear, anything you see in these end times, may you test the spirits, aka take the words and visuals back to prayer with God, as there are many Decepticons running around in these end times sent from the enemy, had a strong, close, and personal relationship with God. Good, great, and awesome. All right, everybody, another message, another video here today in regards to another day of calming the winds in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. This is none of me and all of God, y'all. But it's really cool to be able to show you all the process of prayer and speaking life, even over the wind and the storms when things try to become a bit violent, and how the Father can assist us according to his will on what he allows and doesn't in every aspect of life, including storms. So what ended up happening was a storm kind of came out of nowhere. We didn't really know that that was coming in, and at the same time the wind was kind of blowing extremely hard and the rain was falling. So I began, before I even got outside, to pray according to the will of God and just say, peace be still to the wind in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. And then the Father allowed me to go outside as it was somewhat calming down, but it was still blowing and trying to pick itself back up. So pay attention to the wind blowing the chimes. You can actually hear the chimes and the sound of the wind coming through the earphones as the Father is helping me speak life. So at a certain point, you can see that the rain becomes harder and more intense in place of what the wind was or how it was trying to be. So it was the Father's will for it to rain, but the wind was what was to be halted in this video. So cool, very, very cool. And it's also cool because I noticed the thunder after everything is kind of calmed down wind-wise. You literally just hear this long band of thunder, and you can see the stillness in the skies of the Father's command to the storm himself is for it to stop. It's really, really, really cool. Day number 2 of calming storms in the wind. Here we go. Peace be still in Jesus' mighty name. Peace be still in Jesus' mighty name. Peace be still in Jesus' mighty name. May the winds halt in Jesus' mighty name.